So I'm here in Koh Samui, Thailand, and one thing about this place is there's a bunch of entrepreneurs and like people that are making money online. There's like a bunch of like English guys, German guys, American guys, all here grinding, laptop lifestyle, blah blah blah. Digital nomad. I respect it highly, and I think everyone should strive to do something like this because, as I said yesterday, the desire for freedom is like a core fundamental desire of masculinity, right? We want to have freedom. Do you want to be that dickhead that's got to ask your boss, oh, can I have, please, sir, can I have 2 weeks off? Or are you going to be that dickhead that just lives for the weekend? Bro, your life is not the weekend. Your life is what you do on a day-to-day basis, and you should live that exactly how you want to. So, as a result of men wanting freedom and the traditional life that has been given to us does not give us freedom, that creates a problem. A problem. How can I escape the matrix? How can I escape this life that has been given to me and actually give myself that freedom? Now, obviously, there's a lot of guys online that say different things, and we've all got our different opinions because that's what it is. But the most common thing that I can see whilst I'm out here in Thailand, that the majority of the people that are living here and living that laptop lifestyle did not even start their own business. In this house, we've got 5 or 6 guys that live in here. Me, David, like, 5 or 6 guys. And apart from me, all of these boys make money through something called appointment setting. High ticket sales. I've got my own business, Alpha Setters, yes, and obviously my brother's my business partner, yes, but my brother still works as an appointment setter to this day. It's a high ticket sales role. If you are brand new to making money online, building a business from scratch, you've got no skills, no business experience, is pretty retarded, to be honest, because like, yeah, you've got no credibility. Who's going to pay you a bunch of money to offer us to do a high ticket service when you've got no sort of proof that they're going to get their money to it, right? How I started making money was I started in high ticket sales. I started in appointments. How these boys are making money, these guys are right here in the villa with me right now. They're learning high ticket appointment setting. Now, you don't have to learn high ticket appointment setting. That's not the point of this video. But I will definitely touch upon that because that's what works for me. But the main focus for you guys right now, if you want to be able to do stuff like this, but you're just a little bit like, you're a bit fed up, you're stuck in your job, etc. The next move, the best move for you to make is not building a business, bro. The best move for you to make is just investing in yourself. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean money as well, like just reading, spending time learning, YouTube videos, so much free content on YouTube. Invest in yourself to actually develop skills. Skills alone is enough to make money because the amount of money that you make is directly correlated to the amount of value that you provide to the market. If you've got very valuable skills, you're going to be making a lot of money. My boys here, they've got very valuable skills, which is a point of saying they're making a lot of money because they're providing a lot of value to the market. That's how it works. So that's what I would say, boys. If you're in that position, you don't need to start a business yet. Just focus on learning skills. What skills should you learn? To be honest, I don't really know. Obviously, I'm super biased because there's one thing and one thing only that works for me, which was sales. Sales has always been king. The most important part about any business in order for them to even make money is sales, right? So sales is what I got into, high ticket sales, closing, appointment setting. You can't go wrong. I've met so many closers out here, so many appointment setters. That's what I do in Alpha Setters. My appointment setting agency, train high ticket sales reps and place them in my clients' businesses. Yeah, bro, boys, sales. The thing is about sales as well is it just gives you so many skills that improve so many different areas of your life. I was like a complete squirrel. I couldn't talk to people. I had no people skills until I got into sales. Couldn't speak to women. Couldn't hold eye contact. No firm handshake. And then I got into sales and all of that changed. I think it's just the most valuable skill and it's the best foundation for you. And then once you're a G at high ticket sales, you've developed those skills, you've got credibility, you've been building your personal brand like I've been telling you to do. At that point, okay, amazing. Now you've got an amazing foundation that you can then build a business on top of. A sales, appointment setting, growth agency. Boom. Such a valuable business model right now. Something that so many people need. Such a gap in the market. And you're going to have the credibility, you're going to have the skills to just dominate your niche. So yeah, in my opinion, if you're looking to live a lifestyle like this, yes, I've got my business now, but that's not how I started. I scaled to 5K a month in high ticket sales before I even thought about building a business, right? So yeah, that's what I would recommend to you boys. Focus on learning skills, networking with your boys and building your personal brand. that should be your priority right now, and then you're going to be able to do things like this. Hope this helps, boys. As always, keep grinding.